Hello guys, so welcome to the new video of Speed Learning 2x which is related to all the competitive exams. So today we will discuss the English version of Desti Ghatna Chakra part 1 and also please go through the previous videos. The link is below in description box. Please do hit like and subscribe button and comment down below if you are facing any doubt. So let's go guys. So today we will discuss only two topic of Ghatna Chakra, means the first page of Ghatna Chakra. So the first topic is related with State Food Safety Index 2020 to 2021, and the date is 20 September 2021. In 2020 to 2021, index 36 state and union territories were added. Out of 100 marks, the marks obtained by the first three states are: the first is Gujarat, which got 72 marks out of 100. The second is Kerala, which got 70 marks out of 100. And the third is Tamil Nadu, which got 64 marks out of 100. Now we are going to talk about small states. Top three small states are, so Goa got 63 out of 100, Meghalaya got 53 out of 100, and Manipur got 46 out of 100. Now, the next is a union territory. So, top three union territories are Jammu and Kashmir got 67 out of 100, Andaman and Nicobar Island got 61 out of 100, Delhi got 58 out of 100. Now, moving on to the next. In this index, the lowest rank is obtained by Mizoram. The small state Mizoram is the small state which is at 8th rank. Bihar is the big state which is at 20th rank, and Lakshadweep, which is a union territory, which is at 8th rank. Now UP has obtained 5th rank in the big state in this index. Now this is the Hindi version of the book. So here all it is written that Gujarat got 72 out of 100, Kerala got 70 out of 100, Tamil Nadu got 64 out of 100, Goa got 63 out of 100, Meghalaya got 53 out of 100, and Manipur got 46 out of 100. Now the Union Territory are 67, Jammu Kashmir got 67 out of 100, Andaman and Nicobar Island got 61 out of 100, Delhi got 58 out of 100, and Mizoram, which is the eighth, which is at eighth rank, Bihar, which is at 20th rank, and Lakshadweep, which is at eighth rank. In the next topic is about Rail Kaushal Vikas Yojana (RKVY). In 17 September 2021, Rail Broadcast Electronic and Information Minister Ashwani Vaishnav has started this Yojana, Rail Kaushal Vikas Yojana, 17 September 2021. Ashwani Vaishnav, which is who is a Rail Broadcast Electronic and Information Minister, has started this Yojana. Within 3 years, 50,000 youth will be given training under the Apprenticeship Act 1961. Means under this Act 1961, within 3 years, 50,000 youth will be given training. This will include four trade: electrician, welder, mechanist, and fitter. So this will include four trade: electrician, welder, mechanic, and fitter. Now, in this 100-hour training in a particular field will be included. Age restriction is in between 18 to 35 years. This project will be in Banaras Locomotive Work. After the successful training, the certificate will be provided by the National Rail and Transportation Institute. Total 75 railway training institute has been selected for this scheme. Means in this scheme, total 75 training institute has been selected for this scheme. Now the Hindi version of this Ghatna Chakra is here. Rail Kausal Vikas Yojana Smardiyatat, means the point which is to be remembered, is 17 September 2021 को रेल संचार इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एवं सूचना प्रौद्योगिकी मंत्री अश्वनी वैष्णव द्वारा रेल कौशल विकास योजना की शुरुआत की गई है। यह योजना प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना के तत्वाधान में प्रारंभ की गई है। इस योजना के तहत 3 वर्ष की अवधि में 50,000 युवाओं को प्रशिक्षण प्रदान किया जाएगा। प्रारंभ में 1,000 युवाओं उम्मीदवारों को प्रशिक्षण प्रदान किया जाएगा जो अप्रेंटिस अधिनियम 1961 के तहत प्रशिक्षणों को प्रदान किए जाने वाले प्रशिक्षण के अतिरिक्त होगा। यह प्रशिक्षण 4 ट्रेडों तथा इलेक्ट्रीशियन, वेल्डर, मशीनिस्ट एंड फिटर के प्रदान किया जाएंगे। इनमें 100 घंटे का बुनियादी प्रशिक्षण शामिल होगा। क्षेत्रीय आवश्यकताओं के अनुसार क्षेत्रीय रेलवे और उत्पादन इकाइयों द्वारा अन्य ट्रेडों में प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम जोड़ा जाएगा। प्रशिक्षण निःशुल्क होगा। प्रशिक्षण हेतु पात्रों का चयन मैट्रिक में प्राप्त अंकों के आधार पर किया जाएगा। इस प्रशिक्षण हेतु 18 to 35 आयु वर्ग के उम्मीदवार पात्र होंगे। इस योजना के लिए नोडल एजेंसी बनारस लोकोमोटिव वर्क्स है। प्रशिक्षुओं का प्रशिक्षण पूर्ण होने पर राष्ट्रीय रेल और परिवहन संस्थान नेशनल रेल एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इंस्टीट्यूट द्वारा आवंटित ट्रेन में प्रमाण पत्र प्रदान किया जाएगा। So, all done for today. Now we will continue next day. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And also, if you have any doubt, comment down below related to this topic. I will try to clear your doubt by replying. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.